Hey guys, it's Jason with Home Specters, and today I want to show you an improperly vented water heater. We're in a crawl space, and the water heater is running into an old chimney, as you can see right here. If you look right here though, you have a flue opening right below it, and also it's not sealed around the duct for the water heater. The fear here is you could have carbon monoxide coming back into the crawl space, which will be dangerous for anybody that enters the crawl space, but also anybody up top if it eventually goes up there. So